Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française et dans cette vidéo, on va apprendre le vocabulaire lié au lieu. That means we are going to learn the vocabulary related to places.
Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out.
So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And in this video, we are going to learn the vocabulary related to places. Okay, so remember, you need to repeat after me. Premier, airport. Airport in French is known as l'aéroport. L'aéroport. Remember, we do not pronounce the last consonant, so T is silent. You say l'aéroport. By the way, these L apostrophe, le, L apostrophe, all these are definite articles. If you do not know what are definite articles and how do you use them, I'm dropping the link in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. So let's start with this. L'aéroport. L'aéroport. Deuxième, office. Office is known as le bureau. Le bureau. Bureau. Le bureau. School. School is l'école. 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 C'est féminin. C'est une école. L'école. Hospital. Hospital is l'hôpital. Remember, the letter H is always silent in French. So it's not hôpital. No, say l'hôpital. L'hôpital. House. House, la maison. La maison. C'est une exception. It does not end with E, but still it is female. It's feminine. La maison. La maison. Museum. Le musée. Le musée. Again, that's an exception. That ends with E, but still that's masculine. Le musée. Le musée. Theater. Theater is known as le théâtre. Le théâtre. Again, the letter H is silent. So imagine there is no H. And how would you pronounce it then? Le théâtre. Again, that's an exception. That ends with E, but still that's masculine. So you say le théâtre. Church. Church is l'église. L'église. L'église, c'est féminin. Une église. Pharmacie. Pharmacie, c'est la pharmacie. La pharmacie. Pharmacie. La pharmacie. Cinéma. Cinéma. Le cinéma. Le cinéma. Le cinéma. Allez, on répète. Airport. L'aéroport. L'aéroport. C'est vraiment important que vous répétiez après moi. You need to repeat after me. L'aéroport. Office. Le bureau. Le bureau. School. L'école. L'école. Hospital. L'hôpital. L'hôpital. House. La maison. La maison. Museum. Le musée. Le musée. Theater. Le théâtre. Le théâtre. All three of them are exceptions. Church. L'église. L'église. Pharmacie. La pharmacie. La pharmacie. Cinéma. Le cinéma. Le cinéma. Okay, let's continue with the next one, and that's apartment. Apartment in French is known as l'appartement. L'appartement. Répétez. L'appartement. L'appartement. Restaurant. Restaurant in French is known as le restaurant. Le restaurant. Le restaurant. Factory, that's l'usine. L'usine. C'est féminin, c'est une usine. L'usine. L'usine. Banque. La banque. La banque. La banque. Shop. Le magasin. Le magasin. Do not pronounce it as le magazine. It's a very frequent mistake that people make in French. It's not magazine. Magazine is a magazine in French. No, that's le magasin. Le magasin. Stadium, that's le stade. Le stade. C'est une exception. That's an exception in French that ends with E, but still that's masculine. So you say le stade. Le stade. Train station, that's known as la gare. La gare. La gare. Swimming pool, that's la piscine. La piscine. La piscine. Bookshop, la librairie. La librairie. That's a very frequent mistake that I have seen in French people doing. They think that la librairie, that's a library. No. La librairie, that's a bookshop. And the library in French is known as la bibliothèque. La bibliothèque. Bibliothèque. So remember, la librairie, that's bookshop, and la bibliothèque, that's library. Let's repeat it from the beginning. The first one, apartment. Apartment, that's l'appartement. L'appartement. Restaurant, le restaurant. Le restaurant. Factory, l'usine. 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 Banque, la banque. La banque. Shop, le magasin. Le magasin. Stadium, le stade. Le stade. Train station, la gare. La gare. Swimming pool, la piscine. La piscine. Bookshop, la librairie. La librairie. Library, that's la bibliothèque. La bibliothèque. The letter H is silent. La bibliothèque. It's not tech. No, la bibliothèque. Okay, let's continue with the next one, and that's the different types of schools in French. So I told you school is known as l'école. L'école. Now the next one is middle school. Middle school in French is known as le collège. Le collège. Collège is not college. That's an exception in French that ends with E, but still that's masculine. So that's le collège. On continue avec high school. So high school in French is known as le lycée. Le lycée. That's also an exception that ends with E, but that's still masculine. So you say le lycée. Le lycée. Lycée. University. University in French is known as l'université. That's actually what we call college in English. L'université. That's feminine. So you say une université. Une université. L'université. L'université. Market. Market is le marché. Le marché. Le marché. That's an exception that ends with E, but still that's masculine. So you say le marché. Supermarket, that's le supermarché. So these two are a little identical. Le marché, le supermarché. Supermarché. That's also an exception that ends with E, but still that's masculine. So you say le supermarché. Le supermarché. Allez, on continue avec disco. Disco in French is known as la discothèque. la discothèque, la discothèque, discothèque, la discothèque. H in front is always silent. It's not discothèque. No, say la discothèque. Post office, that's la poste, la poste, la poste. Bakery, la boulangerie, la boulangerie, la boulangerie. Stationery shop, that's la papeterie, la papeterie, la papeterie. Grocery store is known as l'épicerie, 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 l'épicerie. Allez, on répète. Middle school, le collège, le collège. High school, le lycée, le lycée. University, l'université, l'université. Market, le marché, le marché. Supermarket, le supermarché, le supermarché. Disco, la discothèque, la discothèque, la discothèque. Post office, that's la poste, la poste. Bakery, la boulangerie, la boulangerie, la boulangerie. Stationery shop, la papeterie, la papeterie. Et finalement, grocery store, that's known as l'épicerie, l'épicerie. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for this particular video, I am aiming at least 500 likes, so help me achieve that.